Hi, my name is Matt Bruder from Munz Construction. I'm standing in one of the builds we recently finished up. It's an in-law suite for a customer in Doylestown, Pennsylvania. One of the main design elements for this build was preserving these original bookcases. Another key design element for this project is this simplified kitchenette design with a mitered-edge waterfall counter that we were able to integrate into the existing built-ins. Another key feature to the kitchenette design was being able to integrate this retro refrigerator into the existing built-ins with a built-up pedestal and a trim detail. We divided the sleeping area from the main living area using this natural wood vertical slat wall that we stained to match the existing bookcases. In the bathroom, we built a custom vanity assembly highlighted by a dedicated area for a pet. We are thrilled with the way that this job turned out. If you're looking for an addition or an in-law suite with this level of attention to detail and quality, give us a call at 215-953-8833 or visit us on the web at munzconstruction.com.